guys, for today's video guys, I will talk to you about my health. No, last December 10 guys, nanganak ko ani ko ang Lila Iles Clean naman ni cesarean siya guys. Iles Clean cesarean, and then gi-advance man na siya anak. Supposed to be he supposed to be born in December 22, but here in Sweden, when it comes to cesarean, they will choose the time and date, because then you know they have a lot of like mother that need to accommodate all. So sorry guys, I'm gone a little bit because the personnel is come here with my food. I choose this food. Look, that food very yummy, right? Yeah. If you wonder why I'm here in the hospital, in the higher hospital in Sweden. It's called hematology, because of I have like need to cure my, I don't know, the doctor said I have low cell split because of my immune system is very strong, and then he didn't know that the immune system supposed to kill only the what is that, the bacteria and infections like that, but now my immune system is very strong, so they will kill also all of my all what they need. It's inside, like. So I have these blue marks now and red spots in my lips like this. It's in my nose and inside my tongue like that, because of this. This is what the doctor said. I have my immune system very strong, and he didn't that immune supposed to kill only the infection and bacteria and shit, but though even the good that's supposed to protect our body also kills. So now it's dangerous, not so dangerous, but they need to slow down my immune system. So that's why I am here in hematology, Karolinska. So yeah, I came here like last night because they sent me ambulance here, and then yeah, it's the doctor came to me 20 minutes ago that I cannot go home today because they need to check my blood and shit, what is happening my body. They need to make it sure. But the thing is the dangerous thing is, if I get, you see my this is blood, like a red spot like that. Yeah, it's all over my body. The thing is because of this, it's I see dangerous, because if I get like hurt myself, like wounds like that, it's very dangerous. So, because the blood cannot stop, so that's why it's dangerous. So they put me here to 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 make heal my sickness. I don't know, but again, I hope it's gonna. I have a lot of strong medicine. Last night I take like 15 tablets, and then when I came here, because I went to Accutane, Nortelli. Accutane, it's emergency, so they gave me 15 tablets there, and then they sent me here in Karolinska Hodingi. They give me dextrose also, like that is very special medicine. That's why they send me here, because it's only two hospitals, like very big higher hospital in Sweden. It's Huddinge, Karolinska, and Solna. So they send me here. So we have that medicine, very special. So I take 2 in the morning, and then the nurse coming with tablets also. It's like cortisone, and I don't know what I didn't read, but like that. And then now I have again tablet. So we'll see. I hope I getting good na, so I can go home. I don't want to stay hospital. Oh my god, I have kids home, and I don't want to be in hospital. Since I give birth, he is cesarean, Since I give birth, I always go visit hospital, like control babies. I get infections like that. So and it's not like you need to be home and be strong again like that, because then after we stay hospital, I get cesarean. I cesarean like Wednesday, so I stay until Thursday, and then Friday go home, and then stay home 1 day, and then come back hospital again, because he have control his heart is not open, the doctor said. That's why we need to go again like Sunday. And thanks God his heart closed the time na, so we don't need to come again and come, And then after that, I have home visit. The midwife look at him, and that it's only that one time, and then after that I need to go hospital, baby hospital, because they need to look his he have a little bit yellow in the face, because we don't have sun here, you see, it's no sun. So and it's like once a week, every week. So I feel like, oh my god. And until now, I mean last Monday, every once a week, because they look at him and check him on like all like they stand very, oh my god, I'm so tired. But of course I care my baby's health. I want him to be good like that. And then me also like this, so cute. So I don't know. And then I hope I'm getting good, and go home and take care of the family, my kids. I have 5 kids. They are all 6 kids, So I hope God will heal me now with this. I don't want to see camera, because look at my face, oh my god, not very beautiful. And Yeah, and guys, thank you for watching, and have a good day, and hope you are all good and safe. Not like me now. It's sick, and I don't know. Yeah, but the thing is, I'm happy because it's not blood cancer. You know, oh my God. It's not cancer. If you have blood cancer, there is no cure for that. Oh, very good. So I'm very thankful. Because of course I want to live more, live more because of my baby. They are small now. I have 3 years old, and then I have this two. Then I have this one in 12 days old. Oh my God, how they can survive without mother. The biggest fear is if you live forever, you have little kids, that is not the good. That is the biggest fear of the mother, you know. Otherwise, I can die. I don't afraid to be die, but not when my baby are small. They cannot live without mama. They can live, but how is their life? Oh my God. I feel very, very pity. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my video, and yeah, I can do more videos later. Thank you so much, and have a good day. God bless us all. Now let's eat my food. Yeah, and goodbye. See you soon again.